Welcome to today's video, where we're going to take a look at how to access your notifications on LinkedIn using the LinkedIn app. This is a crucial skill, whether you're actively networking, job searching, managing a business page, or simply staying updated with your professional connections. LinkedIn's notification page is the central hub for all important updates, so let's jump right in and make sure you know exactly how to find it. First, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom menu. You'll notice several icons there: Home, My Network, Post, Notifications, and Jobs. The icon we're interested in today is the Notifications icon, which is shaped like a bell. Tap the Notifications icon to access your notification feed. This page displays a stream of updates relevant to your LinkedIn activity. You'll find a variety of notifications here, including alerts about new connection requests, job updates, mentions in posts, comments on your articles, endorsements, and much more. Take some time to browse the page. Scroll through your notifications to stay informed about what's happening in your network. You can click on each notification to see more details or take action, such as responding to a connection request or replying to a comment. Regularly checking your LinkedIn notifications is essential for maintaining an active and engaged presence on the platform. It allows you to promptly respond to opportunities, acknowledge your connections, and stay informed about industry trends. By following these simple steps, you can ensure you never miss an important update on LinkedIn.